Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing very well. As you can see, I'm currently at work in my car. Uh, yeah, I'm not really going to show around, but fuck it. Let's just crack on to the video. As you can see, from this whole move, we ran into the 786, got above it. I set an SFP line there. I actually set an alert there, but I missed this trade. If I caught this trade, it would have been amazing. But where we SFP the high already, so basically a double top at the 786, that would be the setup. See price climb back above it, got the liquidity sweep, and then we dumped. So also taking fib from the high to the low of that move. You can see double top. Right now we're forming basically a double top at the golden zone. But before that happened, we got a rejection off the golden zone. Now zooming in after that rejection. This was the rejection off the golden zone. And now that was the rejection. And getting another fib. Fibonacci is very powerful. Getting another fib from that whole move, running into the golden zone. You can see we couldn't get above it. So I entered short, stop loss at the highs, targeting a 1 to 3, and boom, it hit. Unfortunately, I moved my stop loss to break even at 1 to 2 because I was a bit of a pussy, but I'm never going to do it again. And I've actually noticed that over my time of trading, moving stop, this happens a lot where I move stop loss to break even and I get stopped out. So if you're targeting for one, if you're targeting 1 to 3s, never put stop loss to break even. But yeah, stop loss to break even and full TP was hit after that. So yeah, an unfortunate series of events, but still a good trade nonetheless. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was a quick one, and hopefully you learned something. Literally, the power of Fibonacci. Add confluence to that with some double tops or Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or ABCs, SFP highs and lows. Oh, you can get great setups. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos to come.